Good morning, grade 8th. How are you? So, last lecture we done exercise 1, future sample. Now we will see the exercise 12. It's methane negative forms. See the page number 55 from your exercise book. Okay, and it's very easy exercise, so you can do easy. Only you have to change the negative form no before the verb and pa after the verb. Okay, so we have done so many times. So one more time we will do this exercise. So only you have to see the verbs. I'm marking these verbs. These all are the verbs. All are the verbs. So a, prawn, ale, ame, arete, and sort. These all are the verbs. Okay, what you have to do, only you have to put before na and after verb pa. Okay, but you have to see the sentence like if a, you and they is there, or you, the la, they, and the l'apostrophe. If these articles will come when we change into the negative form, all will be the. Okay, right? So see the first one. Okay, nu navo pa de India. Okay, we have Indian friends. Okay, when we change into the negative, nu navo pa de ami Indian, we don't have Indian friends. So the is there, this will cut. Okay, only the will come. Okay, right? This is the right answer. The. So nu navo pa the ami Indian. Okay, so you have to write this one the. Okay, do the correction in your PDF also, which I sent. So according to this, you have to complete this exercise, part A. Okay, so all will be like this. Like second one, mo père mange de la salade. My father eats salad, but when we change into negative, mo père ne mange pas, don't eat the salad. Okay, the will come. Okay, un is there, all will be changed in the. Ce n'est pas c'est une gomme, it's a eraser. Okay, ce n'est pas, it's not a eraser. Okay, so you have to follow this formula. Okay, and rest of the sentence you have to do same, like ce sont des livres d'anglais. Okay, these are some English books. Okay, anglais. Se na so pa, these are not English books. Okay, so se na so pa the livre anglais. Okay, right? So please follow this formula. And so tu es avocat, you are advocate. Tu n'es pas avocat, you are not advocate. Okay, this one. Okay, so F1 is nous prenons du pain au chocolat, we take chocolate bread. Okay, so nous ne prenons pas de pain au chocolat, bread. Okay, so you have to only see these things. Rest of the sentence will be same, there will be no change. Only you have to see the formula. Okay, which I told you, like a, you, they change into the, or you, the la, they, the la apostrophe, all will be changed in the. Okay, so G part, vous allez à la gare de Lyon. Okay, vous n'allez pas. Okay, you don't go to the station of Lyon. Okay, of Lyon. Okay, so this is the G part. H L M beaucoup la glance. Okay, so if la is there, this one L A, there will be no change. Okay, this will come as it is, like L name pa beaucoup la glance, there will be no change because this is different articles. Okay, there is a article défini or indéfini. Okay, so you have to see this one. there is a difference article definitely or definitely or participative articles. So I part and J part you have to write same. La pilote is a pilot. Arrêter arrive. La stop. Arrêter is stop. Okay. L'avion is aeroplane. Okay. So je part. Elle sort de la hotel. Okay. They go out from hotel. Okay. So this is your exercise. You have to see the only verbs. I am again marking. These are the verbs. Okay. So you have to see these all the verbs. Okay. And according to the formula, no before the verb and pa after the verb. Okay. And again I'm telling you, you have to remember if the word is you and they, these are the articles. Okay. And you, the la, they, the l'apostrophe, all will be changed in the when we change sentence in negative form. Okay. So you have to write all the complete sentence. You will not live like this. Okay. Okay. So thank you. Take care and complete your books. Okay.